Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SummerMath number 25.
Summer Math number 25. So we're going back and talking about counting arrangements. I think I'm not in the shot, but that's okay. You guys can do this. So we're counting arrangements with double counting or some kind of over counting. So we've got 6 books to arrange.
Yep.
And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to ask the question, if I stack these books up, how many different ways are there to do that if I pretend these 2 books are identical?
Which they are.
Well, no, I can tell them apart. I mean, maybe I could make a little mark on this one, but I'm going to just pretend, for purposes of this problem, that they're identical.
Right.
Okay, so the question is, how many different stacks of books could we make under those conditions? Do you first understand the problem?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, first, I just act like there were no restrictions. It's 6 factorial different ways to arrange the books in a stack if there were no restrictions.
Okay, why is that?
Well, you're pretending these 2 books are different.
Okay.
So that means there's 6 choices for this book, 5 for this book, 4 for this, 3, then 2, then 1.
Okay.
Which is 7 and 20.
Okay, so if we ignore the restrictions, which sometimes can be a good thing, we've got 6 factorial, which is, oops, I wrote it wrong, 720. Let me just make sure that's on camera, and that's ignoring the restrictions, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Now,
Does that get us to the right answer?
No.
Why not?
Because these 2 books are the same book.
They were saying these are the same.
Okay.
So now you're coming back on the restrictions, and so you have to divide by 2 or 2 factorial because this is the number of books that were the same.
Okay, so can you explain it to me?
Well, because there's some situations where you flip these.
Okay, there's situations where you flip those books.
But you can't tell them apart if you flip them because we're saying they're identical.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to divide it by 2 because the 2 factorial, which is 2, is the number of, it's the way you flip them.
Okay, very good. So let's put that book like down here or something. We can't tell the difference between this arrangement if we flip the books, but every single arrangement is going to have
A double.
a double.
Yeah.
So we're going to have 2 slots for the book, so we'll have 2 times 1, so we have to divide 720 by 2. And what is 720 divided by 2?
I think it's 360.
What do you think?
Well, yeah, I think that's right because 350 would be 700,
Okay.
and then you just add on 10 to each.
Okay. 360. Very good. All right, so now for the rest of the movie, can you produce all 360 arrangements, please?
It might be a little time consuming.
Okay. Well, anyway, that's good. That's a good job. Good job with this, guys.